Ravil, when it comes down to is when you're a Russian speaker, because you guys speak like this, sometimes you are used to not using it a lot, right? So sometimes, yes, try saying it with a smile. Yes, that's perfectly okay. You're welcome to do that. It's just to get your muscles working. All that it is, Ravil, is just to get your lips in places that you're not used to. Okay, because also, if you speak English every day, but you speak like this, yes, I like this, it's good. An English speaker would think like, oh, god damn it, this Ravil, he's never happy. I don't understand him. Because Americans are very animated, and the Brits, they've got like, they've got a charm to them as well. The Australians, the South Africans, and the Kiwis, New Zealanders, they also got a thing to them. And the Canadians are always friendly, eh? Story, eh? Everything's okay, eh? So it all depends. But yes, you're welcome to do that. Warm up your muscles. Get it into new places. Thank you for that review.